Donald Trump reportedly intends to seal off the U.S.-Mexican border by invoking a public health emergency. The president-elect's advisors have spent months searching for a disease that will allow them to justify closing the border using emergency health powers, the New York Times reports. Mr. Trump apparently intends to invoke Title 42, which allows the U.S. government to expel migrants on public health grounds without an asylum claim. He previously used the power in March 2020 as the COVID-19 virus spread around the globe. His inner circle are said to be examining tuberculosis and other respiratory diseases as one possible option, and have also asked allies in the Border Patrol for illnesses detected among migrants. He also have considered justifying the return of Title 42 powers, which were ended by Mr. Trump's successor Joe Biden, by arguing that migrants may carry unfamiliar diseases because they come from a variety of different countries. Stephen Miller, Mr. Trump's key immigration advisor, who will return as Deputy Chief of Staff in his second term, had pushed for the use of Title 42 powers even before the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2019, he seized on an outbreak of mumps in immigration detention facilities to seal the border, but was rebuffed by officials. He told the New York Times in 2023 that a future Trump administration would invoke Title 42 again by citing severe strains of the flu, tuberculosis, scabies, other respiratory illnesses. He also suggested that it could be justified more broadly on the grounds of mass migration being a public health threat and conveying a variety of communicable diseases. Title 42, which is part of the Public Service Act of 1944, allows the authorities to block people from entering the U.S. to avert a serious danger posed by the presence of a contagious disease from other countries. Mr. Biden did not bring the practice to an end until May 2023, well after his own officials had said there was no public health rationale for continuing it. However, top White House aides were reportedly concerned that ending it would lead to a surge in immigration. Critics have argued that the practice of turning back millions of migrants was ineffective because it simply encouraged them to make their way into the U.S. illegally by evading Border Patrol. Freedom of Information data obtained by The Telegraph in October showed that monthly gotaways under Mr. Trump rose from 13,604 in March 2020 to 37,479 in the space of a year. Mr. Trump's transition team has been approached for comment.